Every October and November, the Zoige Wetland in Sichuan province is truly astonishing. During this time, thousands of migratory birds, including black-necked cranes, white-eyed pochards, red-crested pochards, and grey geese, among hundreds of other species, will leave from here to begin their long journey to warmer southern regions. At this moment, these migratory birds are busy and orderly preparing for their southern migration. They are feasting on the wetland's abundant food sources to build up their energy for the journey. The Zoige Wetland National Nature Reserve is undoubtedly one of China's most biologically diverse regions, home to 237 species of vertebrate animals, including 176 species of birds and 38 species of mammals. Standing here, we are all awestruck by the natural ecological scenery before us and filled with reverence for the magnificent beauty of nature.